that having to code switch, survive in one environment and then another, meant that it was kind of like doing different kinds of exercise. A little bit of code switching is good for us. Being able to adapt to a different language environment, cultural environment, whatever it happens to be. Having to do it all the time hurts us. So a little exercise is healthy, but if you live your whole life code switched out, then at some point the code switching becomes assimilation and we lose ourselves in the process. That's the risk. And that's what a lot of our people are dealing with, is having to live so much of their lives code switched. Because when we go out and look for who's in charge, we're usually looking at somebody from a different group and having to operate in English or French or whatever to do it.